Hello, this is Dennis, Service Manager at MIDTOWN Honda, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of tire rotation. When was the last time you rotated your tires? When was the last time you even had them changed? Those are important questions to ask when it nears winter. Tires are part of our lives, especially when we're out on the road a lot. Good tire tread mean that the tires grip the road better. It makes driving smoother, steering easier, and braking faster. That's what they call good friction. One of the best ways to keep your tires in shape is routine tire rotations. It can even extend the warranty of the tires. Basically, tire rotation is when tires are taken off and rotated to the opposite side, or very frequently front to back. Usually this is also done with the wheel alignment. The alignment makes certain that the wheels are centered vertically and side to side. How does this help extend the life of your tires? Well, the simple answer is that different parts of the tire are being used. For example, if you have to make a series of right-hand turns on the way to work, left-hand turns on the way home, the outside edge will be worn faster. Rotating right to left means that the interior side of the tire is now on the outside. This allows the treads to wear at a similar rate. This is also three types of rotation: rearward cross, forward cross, and X-cross. Rearward cross is best for four-wheel, all-wheel, or rear-wheel drives. In this case, rear wheels are brought forward, right wheel to right front, and left to left. The front tires are then crossed and sent to the opposite back, so front to left back and left front to right back. Forward cross is the opposite of this, so the right front goes to the right back to the right front, and the right back to the front left. This is most common for front wheel drive vehicles. And lastly, the X pattern. These are best for front wheel drives like lightweight trucks and sedans. For this, there are two X patterns: right front to left back to right front to right back, and right back to left front. These cannot be done at home, so it's best to bring your vehicle to MIDTOWN Honda. I know it sounds confusing. Trust our technicians, they'll know what to do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.